Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving this is your account. Open the Google Account Recovery page and type the email or phone number. Make sure you are on a device and location Google recognizes. That reduces friction in verification. Have your recovery email, phone, or a device where you're usually signed in ready. Once done, Google will prompt you with the first verification options. Follow those immediate prompts carefully because they determine the next available recovery methods. Next, work through the offered verification options in order. Accept a prompt on a signed-in device, receive a code by SMS to your recovery phone, or get a code sent to your recovery email. If those aren't available, enter the last password you remember or details like when you created the account. These help Google confirm identity. If you had backup codes or an authenticator app set up, use those codes now. Be patient and accurate. Small details make the difference. Finally, when verification is accepted, set a new, strong password and confirm it on all devices and password managers. Make sure to sign out of any unfamiliar sessions and immediately enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. Update your recovery phone and email so you can recover faster next time. If the automated recovery fails, use Google's detailed account recovery form and provide exact details you remember. Then wait 24 to 40
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.